Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience. Hey everyone! If your Messenger camera is flipped or inverted and you're looking for a solution, you're in the right spot. Fixing this is actually pretty straightforward. First, head over to the Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type in Messenger and open the apps page. Make sure the button says Open and not Update. If it does say Update, go ahead and update your Messenger app. If the inverted camera issue persists even after updating, navigate to your device's settings and find the Chats section. Locate the Messenger app within your app list. You might find it in your recently opened apps, as I have here. If not, select See All Apps and find Messenger that way. Once you've located it, tap on Storage and Cache. Then, clear both the cache and storage by tapping on each option. After clearing the cache and storage, open Messenger again and check if the camera is now working correctly. If the problem hasn't been resolved, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Messenger app. This should fix the issue in most cases. Don't worry about being logged out of Messenger. As long as your Facebook account is linked to the same credentials, for example, if your Messenger is under your name, ensure your Facebook account is also under the same name, you'll be fine. Once you've done this, the inverted camera problem should be fixed. So, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.